Hey guys, wanna know how to select and remove a subject from your image? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in BeFunky.com. And then you should be directed to this official website right here. Now on the dashboard, you can see photo editor. Just simply click on it. Now in order to import images, just simply click on open and then select any one of these options. Now, once you've done that, in order to remove and select your subject, go to edit and under remove and replace, you can see detach subject. Just simply click on it. Now, after a while, your object should be selected and detached. And once that's done, you can just simply move it by selecting the subject and dragging it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.